Step into the heart of Moscow, where an exhibition of captured military trophies stands as a testament to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Amidst the wreckage lies a narrative carefully spun by the Kremlin, portraying Russian prowess and Western vulnerability. As tanks and armored vehicles stand as relics of war, questions arise about the true nature of these victories. Are they really symbols of Russian strength, or is there some missing block in the puzzle? As we delve deeper amidst the glitz and grandeur of the Victory Day parade, a stark reality emerges: one solitary tank on Red Square. Shocked? Well, stay till the end, for the revelation that awaits will challenge everything you thought you knew about Putin's Russia. The exhibition in Moscow unveils a spectacle of captured NATO armor, showcasing Russian military prowess in the Ukraine conflict. To enhance the propaganda effect, the Kremlin manipulated the damaged tanks, bending barrels and inflicting additional damage for visual impact. But behind the propaganda lies a harsh reality: Ukraine has lost a staggering 796 tanks since the war's inception. The US supplied M1 Abrams tanks in Ukraine, symbols of American might, have seen 5 out of 31 destroyed and at least 3 more crippled within a short span. The once heralded Leopard tanks, symbols of Western superiority, now lie in ruins. Despite initial claims of invincibility, these formidable machines have proven ineffective against unconventional warfare. The culprit behind these mounting casualties? A humble, inexpensive weapon: the drone. Specifically, first-person view (FPV) drones, costing a mere $500, have emerged as a nightmarish threat to these multi-million-dollar machines. Equipped with explosives and controlled by soldiers on the ground, these drones can fly directly into a tank's most vulnerable spots: the engine deck, open hatches, or the gap between the hull and turret, delivering a devastating blow. However, as the Kremlin spins its narrative of triumph, it is crucial to realize that the damage is mutual. These inexpensive drones have also rained terror among the ranks of Russia's most advanced tanks. The dwindling presence of Russian armor on Victory Day parades and a single solitary T-34 tank, a far cry from the displays of power seen in previous years, is testament to this. This reflects the staggering losses suffered by the Russian military in Ukraine. Analysts reveal a staggering toll on Russian tanks in Ukraine, surpassing the 3,000 mark. WREAK researchers document losses based on verified evidence, painting a grim picture of Putin's invasion. Meanwhile, Ukraine's successful drone campaign strikes fear into the heart of the Kremlin, targeting key infrastructure deep within Russian territory. The downgrading of Victory Day celebrations in major Russian cities due to security concerns further highlights the impact of Ukraine's successful drone campaign on Russian territory. As the war spills beyond Ukraine's borders, questions arise about Russia's ability to protect its populace and maintain control. As Victory Day fades into obscurity, the truth behind Putin's narrative becomes clear: Russia's military might is not as formidable as once believed. The myth of Russian invincibility crumbles under the weight of historical defeats. From the Crimean War to the failed Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, Russia's military history is marred by setbacks. Yet, Putin's narrative of unbeatable strength persists, shaping perceptions both at home and abroad, especially within Europe.